32 IGC road. Okay? What we got for you?
Now around I have a serious call blocking my chest.
Serious call blocking your chest.
If I talk, I will be ashamed before it is so serious. So I'll be taking medicine, taking drugs, taking drugs outside. But after the prayer, I won't stop. I won't feel any cough again. You see,